welcome to my channel. As I begin to film and I see myself in the light, I am remembering that I did not set my face today. So it's a little shiny. But that's with no setting spray, but also no foundation. So anyway, today is my Walmart Beauty Box Winter Box unboxing, I believe. Hydration Heroes, enter to win a gift card, maybe. First thing in the box. Now this is Walmart's quarterly subscription beauty box. So every 3 months they send you a box based on the theme of the season. This, I believe, is the winter box. First thing in the box is the Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. This stuff is awesome. A little goes a long way. I have used that before. I have purchased that a couple times. It is amazing. And it's not really scented, so it's good for unisex use. The next thing in the box is this black charcoal bubble sheet mask. Ooh, I almost bought one of these too. These are awesome. I did use this. A friend of mine used this. My best friend used this on her face, and it really does bubble. It's really awkward looking, but it works really good. Her skin was amazing. Next thing in the bag is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. Love me a good hair mask, so I will be using that because I actually was thinking about doing a hair mask soon, so maybe I'll do that in a couple weeks. Because it does take time. I do like to sit in mask and watch a TV show or whatever, so that's always a good time to do that. Some information on Garnier. Next thing is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer, Day, Night, and Mask. Okay. Made with rose water. Garnier's kind of getting into everything. I'm not sure if I'm a fan or if I just think they're spreading themselves too thin. Depends on what it's like. It depends on if it works or not. So if they're doing a good job, then hey, keep it up. Next thing in the box is the Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract. And this is a cleansing cloth? Oh, one dry cloth. So I guess you wet it and then you wash your face with it. So this is really good for travel, or if you're going to a friend's house for movie night and you end up spending the night like I always do. That's good to take in your bag. And that's some information on that. The next thing in the bag is a Neutrogena Collagen Kiss Infused Lip Mask. Oh, this is all about masking. This whole thing is about keeping your skin beautiful and hydrated and clean. A lip mask. These are really fun. I actually have used one, not this brand, but a different brand, a lip mask, and just super moisturizing this time of year. The cold weather really keeps your skin drier. It makes your lips more prone to cracking and drying. So if you don't use a lip balm every day, I would suggest that you do. But this is good to treat if you've had excessive drying and cracking of your lips if you're out in the cold a lot. So that's a great gift. Or not gift, but item. Pairs perfectly with you. Only at Walmart Neutrogena. Oh, the information about the Neutrogena. And, ooh, last in the box is Walmart sent a little beauty bag. What? To keep all your stuff in your bag, to keep in your purse. And it's just, you know, simple little raindrop. I think these are like raindrops or something, because this is probably waterproof. But it's got the Walmart logo on the back. So that's actually kind of cool. So you know where you got it from. They want you to remember this came from us. Thank you very much. Now, the Walmart Beauty Box is only $5. It comes every quarter. And they send you a little reminder making sure all your information is up to date, billing information, address, and stuff like that. Because once they do it, it's done. Okay, I don't think it's refundable, but I've never been disappointed. I've really enjoyed everything that I've gotten from their boxes. This charcoal sheet mask is really good. I want to say this was the same one I had before, but I'm not sure. But I know I have used another mask that they've sent, so I like the masks. I am going to try this Garnier Skin Active moisturizer as soon as I'm done with the one I'm using. Maybe I do have some Sephora samples I need to go through first. So we'll see, you know, I kind of try and get it all in order Make sure I use my stuff before it gets too old. And the hair treatment, 1 minute hair mask, totally gonna use that. Probably not this weekend, but usually I try and do it on a weekend or when I have multiple days off, like that day, and then maybe the next day, we'll see. But this little pouch is awesome. That's a cute little bonus for $5. Yeah, so that's my Walmart winter beauty box unboxing. Thank you for watching. I think they try and do things that are geared toward you specifically because they do ask you for some profile information. So if you receive things in your box that you're looking forward to trying, please let me know. Let me know if you've tried this, if you like it. I love it. I recommend this one, and I also recommend the Jergens one. The Jergens one, I feel you need to use more to get the same results. This one, you use very little, and a little goes a long way, and it feels really good. It feels really good. My skin is always very soft, and there's no scent, so it doesn't clash with any kind of perfume or anything that you might be wearing. So anyway, really excited about that. I'm really excited about this little makeup bag. That's always handy. Always can use those. You can re-gift it. You can keep it and put like all your samples for skincare in one. And, you know, I have a lot of beauty bags. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy your week. Have a great winter. Moisturize your skin. Moisturize your lips. Moisturize your hair. All skin gets dry, all hair textures get dry in these cold months because it just sucks all the life out of everything. That's why I don't like cold weather. Anyway, thanks for watching. You guys have a blessed week. Peace.